desert. My mother died, giving me life, deprived by the love of a father, blamed for the loss of his wife. You know, Lord, I've been in a prison for something that I never done. It's been one hill after another, and I climbed them all one by one. Oh, but this time, Lord, you give me a mountain, a mountain I may never climb. It isn't just a hill any longer. You give me a mountain this time. My woman got tired of the heartache, tired of the grief and the strife, so tired of walking for nothing, just tired of being my wife. She took my one and only reason, she took my joy and my pride. She took my reason for living. She took my small baby girl. Oh, but this time, Lord, you give me a mountain, a mountain I may never